There's nothing more compelling than before and after pictures. In this video, I'm going to show you old, torn, and dirty metal building insulation before and after using the BlueTex metal building insulation wall cover system. And the old insulation does not have to be removed. First, the before. You can see the metal building insulation is destroyed. Now the after pictures using the BlueTex Pro insulation product to cover it. BlueTex Pro insulation is tear-proof and puncture-resistant. In fact, it's 10 times more durable than the original vinyl facing that comes with typical fiberglass insulation in most metal buildings. Plus, it's also easy to clean if needed. It's a permanent solution and easy to install. It will never fall down. All you need is a screw gun and a utility knife. You can do just part of the wall or run the BlueTex Pro insulation all the way up the wall to the roof. Think of it as a makeover for your metal building. It will look better than new. There are a couple different install methods. In one method, you remove the wall panel screws from the outside and slide the BlueTex insulation between the metal purlins and the old insulation. Then reuse the screws. Another method is done completely from the inside without removing any panel screws. Also, check out our innovative solutions for roofs that have falling down insulation. Here are before and after pictures from one customer using the BlueTex Easy Clip system in their metal building. For more information, complete installation instructions, and to order your free sample kit with all the BlueTex products, please visit BlueTexInsulation.com.